My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we are talking about the Ankr network, Ankr coin. Friends, what is the price prediction of Ankr network into new month? As you know, today is the first day of a new month. That is why I decided to do a prediction of Ankr network. What is the next move occur in Ankr network, friends? So keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. Now if we talk about the current price of Ankr network, so the current price of Ankr network, as you can see, 0.17995 USD dollar is the current price of Ankr coin, friends. And if we talk about the price change occur, so the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, last 1 week change is positive, friends. The whole change occur in the Ankr network is positive. That's mean that the entry of the Ankr network into new month is positive, friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the Ankr network. As you can see here, only jumps occur in the previous period at the entry of the new month, friends. Ankr network positive, take a jump in it. But now unfortunately at this time the gradually falling period of Ankr network starts now, but don't worry, they falls down for a little time. After some falls they again take a jump, friends. Now if we talk about the price change occur in the Ankr coin in the last 1 day, so the change is about positive 8.3%, and the high price is about 0.18975 USD is the highest price of Ankr network in the last 1 day, friends. Same like that, if we look the currently price, so the currently price is about 0.17995 USD dollar is the currently price of Ankr network in the market. That is the live price prediction of Ankr network you are watching now, friends. So what is the next move occur in Ankr network? If we do a technical analysis, so as you can see, let's suppose that is a support line and that is our resistance line, friends. So now they are falling mood. After some fall, now they're take a jump, and after some fall they again take a jump, friends. And hope there is a lot of chances to they break the resistance level and resistance become support, friends. And that's no that this already you know that when the resistance becomes support, so that's mean that the big jump occur in this coin, friends. So hope they take a jump in the future. What's your opinion about Ankr network? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends.